I'm one of the faculty here at Baker, and I'm going to do just another little bit of the thing for the students tonight. Instead of my just reading it, I'm going to actually have them repeat the vow or the oath. So, listen up. Oh no, I should have warned you. So, as I enter the nursing profession, I pledge, now this is when you start, to use all the knowledge, skills, and understanding that I possess when providing professional nursing care. To deliver nursing care non-judgmentally. To all those who require it. To the best of my ability. To refrain from any action which might be harmful. To the quality of life or health of those I care for. To treat each client with respect. To hold in professional confidence all the personal information entrusted to me. To keep my professional knowledge and skills at the highest level. To give my support and cooperation. To all members of the healthcare team. To contribute to the advancement of nursing profession. To maintain my nursing practice. In accordance with the professional nursing standards. Required for my profession. Now repeat. From the beginning? No. Okay, now I'll introduce Kathy Von Feist, another full-time faculty who will give a closing statement.